to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you some super easy, oh, my button just went off. I'm going to be showing you some super easy hairstyles. Oh, can't get it back on. So I get a lot of questions about how I do just my basic curly bun, and it's actually not a bun. I just tie it up into a ponytail at the top of my head and it kind of looks like a bun because I have short hair. I have 2 of these black scrunchies and they are just an everyday essential. I like the hold that they have because you know how some scrunchies can be like really loose and you have to like tie it 3 times for it to hold. I don't know, these have the perfect hold for my hairstyle. They're like this velvet black material and they are from Supre. So if I ever run out, I just go back to Supre because these scrunchies are the best. My hair ever, I never really brush it. I just kind of slick it back with my hands. And you just pull the scrunchie over. Done. So see how easy that is. I don't have to brush it. I don't add any water or anything. If I really want it to slick back, I would brush it, but it's already kind of really slick back just using my hand. So that's how I do my curly bun. It's not really a bun, it's like a ponytail, but if your hair was longer, I mean if my hair was longer, I would just kind of fold the end in back into the scrunchie. But yeah, my hair's short, so it looks like a bun already. The next hairstyle is the same thing, but I just pull out these pins. I don't know, my front bits are a bit of an awkward length because they used to be a fringe, but they're growing out now. And then I also pulled out these bits just in front of my ears. A real messy, loose bun. Don't tie it as tight as the other one. So that's how I do my messy bun. You just pull out some bits at the front, in front of your ears, a bit at the back, and then you just tie it up with that black scrunchie again. But loosen it so it's not too tight on your head. My layers are still too short to tie my hair back, like to the back of my head. All these bits fall out, so once they're all long enough, I'll try to do like a slick bun at the back of my head, a low bun, because I haven't really rocked that yet. So I think another thing you need to get if you have curly hair is different kinds of little clips. Go clip shopping, find your favorite colors. I have a lot of clips. My favorite clips right now are just these white ones I got from Cotton On. They were in like a little pack with pink ones as well, and I just like to clip the front bits back. You can do a lot of things with clips when you have curly hair. You can do it like this, you can have 2 on one side. I've got these style of clips in like every color. And also these little butterfly clips are really cute to like place around your head, even if you tie your hair up and then place them. These are from Princess Polly. I've also got clips with little words on them, so that's cute to put along your hair. This one says Angel and this one says Baby Girl. These ones are from Miss Lola. So with this, what's this style called? Snapback clips? I'm not sure. But you can put them 2 on one side. Another accessory that you could play with is like headbands, head wraps. So I'm going to show you how you can make a little headband out of this piece of fabric. I'll leave links down below. I got this just from eBay. It's like this big square piece of satin fabric. If you already have a headband, you would just slip it on and you're ready to go. But if you want to make like a little tie headband, fold your piece of fabric in half so it's like a triangle. You want to just basically kind of fold it over and over until you get to the end. Then you just have a long wrap like this and place the base of the wrap at the back of your head and bring this around and tie. And you can adjust the wrap so it's the thickness that you want. You can either just tie it and then tie it at the back, or you can make a little knot, get the 2 ties and kind of roll them into a little, what do you call it, a little roll. Then just get a little elastic and you can tie that little bow. That's a cute little accessory if you want to jazz up your outfit a bit. I also show you in my Refresh and Sleep with Curls video how you can wrap up your hair to protect your curls when you sleep with this one as well. You might have seen my hairstyle vlog where they do a fancy curly updo, and I tried to recreate it. I wore it out to an event and yeah, it looked pretty cool, so I'll try to teach you guys how you can do it. So the first thing to do is kind of create a base at the back of your head or wherever you want most of the hair to be pinned up to, if you know what I mean. So I kind of get all the hair that's at the back of my head. So you're kind of getting all the hair that's in the middle back of your head. My hair is really thick, so I have a lot of hair. And you're leaving like a halo of hair around the base, and all this hair you're going to kind of pin up loosely to create that effortless updo effect. I've got that hair base there and I've just wrapped it up into a flat bun. Now we've got a hair elastic here and I'm going to tie it as flat as I can. So now you can see I've got kind of a flat bun in the middle of my head and then all this hair around it. Now you need a lot of bobby pins and you're just going to pin back strand by strand your curls into the base of the bun, and you just got to do it loosely. Sorry, it's hard to explain. And you're not going to tightly pin it, you're going to loosely just add it into the base. It shouldn't be perfect, you should just loosely keep adding strands and it's going to look different for everyone. And you kind of want a volume around the front, so get your front bits and kind of place it so it's sticking up rather than slicking it back. You're kind of leaving it a bit puffy at the front. Just think it's supposed to be all loose and kind of like you just threw it back. I just feel like it's a really old school, effortless hairstyle. It's good for weddings, even like a dinner if you feel like being a bit different with your curls. And if you feel like some of your curls are a bit frizzy and stuff, especially for special events, you can always get a curling wand and just fix those little bits that you want to show off. Show you the back. You can even leave the bits dangling at the back just to make it look extra messy but elegant. I really love this style. I feel like it's like 90s. You can play with how much volume you want at the front. You can put back or leave out as much curls as you want. Yeah, I really love this style. I feel like I've discovered a new hairstyle that no one's tried before. So those are my go-to curly hairstyles right now. I hope this gave you some inspiration. And yeah, the curly bun hairstyle is like the easiest thing ever. I just throw it up. If you have longer hair, as I said, you can just tuck your hair into the scrunchie again. Let me know if you're going to try out any of these hairstyles, which one was your favourite. And as always, let me know which videos you want to see next. I did do a fun curly hairstyle video a while back on my Instagram. I'll leave the link down below. And also check out my other curly videos. I'll link them down below. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!